Recording video in Panopto. Using the app version, click on the icon and then sign in. Use your center credentials to sign in to Panopto. Once you've signed in, you can click on Create a New Recording. You can also change the options on your video to your FaceTime camera and then choose the audio from either your built-in input on your computer or an external microphone. Right now I'm going to click on this video that's on my desktop. Once I click on it and open it up, I can then play it and share it as I'm capturing it in the Panopto video capture window. I'll do the same thing for a document here, and you can also do the same things for photos or graphs. When I'm done creating my video, I'll click Stop, and then my recording will be complete, and then I will upload it to Panopto. With my highlighted file, I can then go down to Actions and then click View Files. I will then be given a list of all the files that were created for this Panopto video.